Hello, welcome to this week's memory verse. We've got Isaiah chapter 45, verse 22. Turn to me and be saved, all you ends of the earth, for I am God, and there is no other. Let's dance it and remember it.
I know you're still fighting for me, oh. When things get hard, I still find my blessings, oh. And it's your grace and love that brings me to my knees. When we're stuck at the border, you make a way, you bring all the order, oh. So we're stepping, rapping, living for you is a blessing, my Lord, my Lord. So we're stepping, rapping, living for you is a blessing, my Lord, my Lord. There's no other, no other, no other God like you. There's no other, no other, no other God like you. There's no other. Things get tacky, my friend. Come to the well and find refreshing, my friend. I give you all praise and you never change. I need you every day through the night and day. So me stepping, rapping, living for you is a blessing, my Lord, my Lord. So me stepping, rapping, living for you is a blessing, my Lord, my Lord. There's no other, no other, no other God like you. There's no other, no other, no other God like you. There's no other. Holy water, all the waters, holy water, holy water. There's no greater, all the waters, there's no greater. Nothing's full of there's no other, no greater, no other like you, no other God like you. There's no other. There's no other.
And that's it. Keep going back daily, several times a day, so we can really get this in our head.